Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today I have learned how to install Angular 9 app with Firebase. So in this project we cover these points. I will write in step-by-step tutorial of how to install Angular Cli and you can create your first app with Angular 9 application. So step 1, install Angular Cli. So you can type the command npm install global in dash g at the rate angular slash cli. So I have already installed the Angular Cli in my local system, so we don't need to install again. So we can move the step to in second step, and now here we able to create new project in Angular 9 using Angular CLI command. So let's create the following command: ng new Angular 9 Firebase app. Angular 9 Firebase app is my app name. So type the ng new Angular 9 Firebase app. So you can see the option Angular writing. If you want to choose, then yes, then choose the CSS and click. So it is take some time to install the Angular CLI application, node modules or Angular files. So it is taking some time. So after the installation the R process, you can see the Angular 9 Firebase folder. In this folder you can find the all Angular 9 app files like app, src, package.json, angular.cli.json, etc. So now we can done all process. Now go to step 3 and type the command angular cd Angular 9 Firebase app. So type cd Angular 9 Firebase app, click enter. Now you can enter the Angular 9 Firebase app folder. So in this folder you can see the package.json file. In file you can see the all dependency of the Angular app, Angular 9 Firebase app, Angular animation, Angular common compiler, core forms, TypeScript form, etc. All dependency include the all the which version you are using, like TS-lint, TypeScript, etc. So package.json file define the R dependency. So in last step we can see type the command ngserve for run the application. So last step you can run the application for type the command ngserve, write the cd ng write the command ng then serve, click enter. It is take some time for load the application on the browser. So you can see right, you can see the Google Analytics. If you choose yes or no, then your load all the compiling, your application is compiling. Now once is application fully 100% compiled, then open the browser. Like Angular live server is listing on the localhost 4200 port. This is your default port, you can also change it. So once is 100%, then go to the browser and type localhost dash 4200, like this, localhost 4200, and your application run is like, see, this is your Angular 9 application run fine. So if you change the resource value, so you can go in your app folder src under app folder, app component.html. So you can scroll down and see the resource. We can change the resource tags to our new app, my new app. So this is a resource, you can change it to my first app and save it. Then compiling process is started. Now it is 100%. After the 100% you can see the browser, the resource value is changed. See, this is my first app. Is it value resource to change the value my first app.